Here is the Costa Model MD43 CVC for deburring and graining. You can see the vacuum fan is mounted on top. The machine comes standard with a suction table to hold down small parts. See, it comes with an HMI that you can turn the units on and off, set the speed for each unit, as well as set your thickness, your feed rate, and you have the ability to store programs as well. There's also cutouts on the doors for ease of adjustment while you're running production, so you never have to stop the machine, open up the doors to make any adjustment.